In this video, I'll show you how to connect a VPN from your laptop to Xbox. And if you want the smoothest and most reliable experience, I recommend NordVPN, which you can get by going directly to the link in the description. Since Xbox consoles don't support VPN apps directly, the easiest way to do this is by sharing a VPN connection from your laptop. Once your laptop is connected to NordVPN, your Xbox will automatically use that protected connection through Wi-Fi or Ethernet. First, open the link in the description and go straight to NordVPN's website. Create your account, choose a plan, download the app for your laptop, and sign in. NordVPN works on both Windows and Mac, so this method is the same idea no matter which one you're using. After you open NordVPN, connect to a server in the country you want. This could be your home country for privacy and security, or another supported region for gaming or streaming. Make sure the VPN connection is fully active before moving on. Now let's share that connection from your laptop. On Windows, go to your network settings and turn on mobile hotspot. Choose Wi-Fi as the sharing option and make sure it's using your internet connection that's currently protected by NordVPN. Once the hotspot is on, you'll see a network name and password. Next, go to your Xbox, open network settings, choose Setup Wireless Network, and connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot created by your laptop. Enter the password, and once it connects, your Xbox is now running through the NordVPN connection from your laptop. At this point, you don't need to change anything on the console itself. All your games, apps, and online features automatically use the VPN connection. This helps protect your connection, adds privacy, and can even help against things like DOS attacks during online matches. If you notice slower speeds, try switching to a different NordVPN server closer to your location. Keeping the VPN app updated also helps maintain the best performance, and that's how to connect a VPN from your laptop to Xbox. If you want fast speeds, strong security, and an easy app that works perfectly for this method, check out NordVPN using the link in the description and enjoy safer, more private gaming on your Xbox.